and last time we have created one more database, right? So I'll check how many databases are present in currently MySQL database. So command is show databases. Okay. Last time also I've instructed that you can sit with the notebooks if you don't have the laptop or desktop. Those who do have, they can start. They can take their time and they can start. So first command is show databases. This command will show all the databases which are created. For example, you can see here which are highlighted part. Information schema, MySQL, performance schema, sys, PECSA, DB, TY, BTEC and VIR. These are the databases currently I do have. System databases and some we have created. Okay. Now, if I have to see what or how many tables are there in the database, so first command is use that. Suppose I am using PECSEDB, semicolon. Semicolon will show that it is the end of the query. So this is the query which we are firing as a command. Database changed message will show. It means we are currently using PECSEDB. Then I can use one more command, show tables. Now currently, whatever PCSE database is present in that, if any table is there, it will show all those tables. So in currently PCSE DB, there is one data table is created, that is DB. So I'll say select star from table name, that is DB, semicolon. This is the command. This star. Select star. Star indicates all records. Select all records from DB. So this will show all the records. Now currently DB as a table name don't have any record present. So it is an empty database. So I can check the schema. So to check the schema, there is one more command, DESC table name. Our table name is DB. So currently we have PCSE DB database present, and in that only one table we have created, and that is DB. To see how many records are present in the table DB, we have typed one query, that is select star from DB. As not a single record present in the table, it shows the empty set. Now table is in existence. Table is already created. Name of the table is DB. So we can check the schema of that. To check the schema indicates, as this is a tabular form of data storage, tabular form will have columns and rows. So how many columns, how many rows are present, it will show. Now we can select column as a one type, and it will have a data type we can assign when we are creating. Data type, like you have learned in C and CPP, there are different data types. Similarly, database will have also data types. We can take one column as one data type, second column as another data type, like on. Okay. So DESC, that is a describe table name DB, will give this information that DB table has how many columns, what is the column data type, and what is the size. Out of this column, we can set one column as a primary key. If it is set, it will show it is a primary key, or else it will show it as a null. By default, all values, if any value is not there assigned, then it will assign by default null value. So in database MySQL, for any row or any column, we are not assigning any value. By default, null value will be assigned. Okay. So type DASADB. It shows field indicates columns, and these will be column names. Type indicates if ID is one column, then what will be the data type of it. They have taken ID as an integer. Null by default. Default null. It is null value, or yes, not null, we can say like that. What is meant by not null? We are going to see. But right now in practical, to create a table we have used. Name is another column. Its data type is varchar and size is 20. No key is assigned. So out of this column, not a single key we have assigned right now. That's why it is empty. Okay. Now how to insert a record? Before that, we'll see one more command, create. There are two types of languages. One is data definition language and one is data manipulation language. Data definition language is popularly known as DDL, and data manipulation language is popularly known as DML. Now data definition language will use the commands for creation of data, and data manipulation language where we can update or we can play with the schema of the language table. So those called as the data manipulation language. Those are different commands. We'll see one by one what are DDL commands and DML commands. Before that, inside our practical, mainly we'll focus on first create a database, then use that database, then create a table in the selected database. When we create a table, we'll define how many columns are there, what will be the data type of those columns, and then we'll insert the records in the table. So these are the main things we'll learn first. So up to this point, we have created database. We have seen how many databases are there by using show databases. Now I want to select one database, so I'll use command use and name of the database. We have selected TCSCDB. Then we have used see how many tables are there in the database, that is TCSCDB. Show tables is the command. It shows only single table. We'll see how many records in that table present by using select star from DB query. As no single record is present in the table DB, it shows empty set. Now we can check what are the columns created, what are different data types of those columns by using DSCDB. It shows us two columns are there. One is the ID, it is of integer, and name as a varchar. It's combination of numerics and alphabets. Varchar indicates it is a combination of both integer and characters. Size is 20. Okay. Up to this, any problem? Those who are implementing, are you with me? If you are not created database, you can use command create database keyword and name of the database. For example, suppose small capital doesn't matter, PE1. In the query indicate semicolon. Create new database. Command is create database name as a keyword and name of the database is this one. Enter. Okay. It shows query okay. One row affected. Indicates successfully we have executed our query. Query was create database and name of the database T1. Now already we do have two databases, right? So here T1 database name is not present. Now it will show. So to see databases, we will use command show databases, right? Now you can see here T1 is added. Okay. So those who are doing practical with me, they can create database. Okay. Done. Now please answer how many of you are currently doing practical with me. If you are doing, tell me yes. If no, no issues, no problem. At least you can watch and you can understand. If anyone is doing me, let me know. You can raise your hand if you are doing practical with me. Okay. 56, 73. $45, 28, 53. These people are doing practical. Okay. Are you up to this point? Are you with me? You can reply. Those who are doing practical. No issues for
Yes,
your
sir.
side? Okay. Any
Yes, sir.
problem? Any problem? Anyone? Anyone? Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. 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 Very good. So we'll move ahead. Now, have you created a table in the database?
Yes, sir.
All.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll learn how to insert record. Okay. You can check DSC and table name, the schema of it, that how many columns are present, what is the data type of each column, and whether any key is assigned. While creating table in the database, we can assign a key. If we assign ID as a primary key, it will show here in this column, key column, and PRI will appear. Okay. Currently, we haven't assigned any key. How to assign a key? What is meant by key? We are going to learn in next practicals. Okay. Don't worry about it. Now I want to use my suppose newly created database. So I'll use command use PE1 semicolon. Database change. It means currently I am using PE1. Now I'll see any tables are there. So show tables command, right? Empty set. Not a single table is created in the database TE1. In TECSE DB, we have created one table. So we'll start creating table in the TE1. Okay. So how to create a table? The command is create table keyword name and name of the table. For example, suppose example 1 bracket. Remember the syntax, huh? Create table and name of the table. Name of the table I have assigned EX1. Now I want to select column. Suppose we are going to consider 3 columns. First is ID. Data type is integer. Suppose 6 is the size. If I am not giving the size 6, it will assign by default 3. Then suppose next I want varchar data type. But what is the column name? So give the column name. Column name is suppose name. Varchar. Size 20. Semicolon. It indicates this is first column name. This is data type of it integer and in bracket the size. Here semicolon indicate, no, only comma, na? Comma indicates this is first column information. After that, this is second column information. Second column, name of the second column is name. Data type is varchar, and in bracket size. Then comma. It means third column we are creating now. Third column will take surname, just for understanding purpose. Again, we'll take it varchar. Again, we'll assign 20. Now, first column, second column, third column. So three attributes. Column is called as attribute. There are three columns, so we can say there are three attributes in example 1 table. Now whole bracket complete. Whole bracket complete. Semicolon. Semicolon indicates it is the end of the query. So this is the query to create a new table in the database. Already we are using TE1 database. Create table, table name, bracket start, in that first column name, data type of that column, then and in bracket size, comma, second column, data type of that column, then in bracket size, comma, it means third column we have started now, name of the third column, data type, in bracket size, then whole bracket complete. It means this is the information of EX1 table. We'll hit enter now. Query OK. It means no problem. Successfully we have executed a query. Query was to create a table. Now here in T1 we have used show tables. It has shown us the empty set. One more time we'll type show tables to see whether any table is created or not. Miracle. Now it is showing table name, right? Hope you understood now. 2 minutes before we have used show tables, not a single table was there. After that we have created table. Now same command we have used. It shows us ex1. Now everyone will answer one question. Type your answer in message. Everyone. Question is EX1 is created in which database? EX1 table is created in which database? Type your answers and send me the message. So in message, you can type your answers. Do not copy anyone. Type your answers, everyone. How many present? 48 minus 1, 47. 48 minus 2, 46 people. Question is, EX1 table is created in which database? Very good. So the answer is T1 database. Right? Maybe typing mistake. Priyanka, you answered TEL1. TEL1 is not there. T1 is there. Maybe it is spelling mistake. Okay, no problem. Somebody said TA. Okay, I can understand if you are typing mistake. Actual name is TE1. Siddhartha Saunke. Okay, I'm going through each and every one answer. Okay, maximum people replied T1, so T1 is correct one. Now, DB table is created in which database? Reply. DB table is created in which database?
So can you scroll this screen?
Why you want to scroll the screen? If you are attending from start, it is very easy. TCACDB, right? This is there. TCACDB. DB table is created in which database? It is in TCACDB, right? Okay. So hope you learn the commands, 4 commands at least, or 4-5 queries at least. Show databases, show tables, use database, name of the database, then create table, table name inside a bracket, number of columns, each column name, data type of that column and size. Now EX1 we have created. We'll use DESA, that is describe EX1 table name. It will show us the schema. Schema is this one. So it is having 3 columns, right? 3 columns we have created. ID1, name second, surname third. ID1, name second, surname third. ID data type is integer. By default, null value. Name varchar 20, surname varchar 20. Now, not a single record is present. So we'll learn how to insert record in the table. So insert is a command. So we can say insert, create. Right? These are the commands. We'll see which are coming under DDL and which are coming in DML. Insert values into table name EX1. Now, when we insert, how many values we can insert in the table EX1? Who will reply? How many values will insert in table EX1?
3 values.
Yes, 3, right? Those who have replied, absolutely right. 3 values because we have created 3 tables. So first is the ID. Suppose ID is there, 101, comma, name. I'll take any name, just example, comma, third name. Bracket complete, semicolon. We'll see whether this command will work or not. Whether I'm right or not, we'll see that. So enter. Insert values into table name. In which table name we want to insert? In EX1. So table name EX1. There are 3 columns already we know. So first, second, and third value. 3 values only. If I give extra value, then it will give an error. We'll see. Error. Values into at line. So there is a insert into this was the command. So I was wrong previously. Hope you can see the errors. Error असे डिस्प्ले होईल आणि तिथे सांगतील ते काय चुकलं असेल तर. So error is the syntax is wrong near values. So I got the information that I have typed wrong syntax. The correct syntax, I know it. Insert into, then table name, and then values, and in bracket the values. Okay. So one more time I will write. Hope it is visible to you, clear and crisp. आता पहिला आहे तो एरर आहे. आपला सिंटॅक्स चुकला अशी एरर आली. असं जर तुम्ही काही चुका केल्या, स्पेल मिस्टेक्स असतील किंवा आणखी काही, तर एरर येईल अशी. तुम्हाला जर काही एरर आल्या, तुम्हाला जर सॉल्व्ह नाही झाली तर मला सांगा. स्क्रीनशॉट काढून तुम्ही मला सेंड करू शकता. ओके, यू कॅन टेक screenshots if any errors are there and you can send. I'll try to give you maximum clarification regarding errors also, right? So we have seen if there is a wrong syntax, this kind of error will be there. So the correct syntax of insertion of a record in the table is insert into table name values in bracket the values. If our table consists 4 columns, we have to insert 4 columns. If our table consists 2 values, 2 columns, 2 values only. Then end of the bracket and semicolon. Okay. I'll change the ID now. Already 101 is inserted. 102. सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा मध्ये काही व्हॅल्यूज द्यायचे काही नाही द्यायचे. इट डिपेंड्स. आता कोणत्या द्यायच्या कोणत्या नाही द्यायच्या हे आपण नंतर बघू. आता आपण टेबलमध्ये इन्सर्ट करतो रेकॉर्ड. म्हणून मी काय केलं डिजिटला नाही दिलं कारण तेच आपण स्ट्रिंग म्हणून घेतोय किंवा कॅरेक्टर्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॅरेक्टर्स म्हणून घेतोय त्यांना आपण सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा दिलेला आहे. ओके. नाही दिलं तरी काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. जस्ट काढून बघूया. पण इन बिटवीन टू सेपरेट each values we have to give the comma. ओके. आता बघूयात होत आहे का एरर येते का काय. कॉमा पाहिजे नाही तर आपल्याला पूर्ण ही एकच व्हॅल्यू आहे असं समजलं जाईल. स्पेस पण नाही चालणार. So we want to give the comma. It is necessary. आता बघूयात. सिंगल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा दिला नाही मी. एरर. Unknown column Rahul. Got it? So when there is a string or alphabets, characters combination of, mention those in single inverted comma. Okay? All values also you can give in single inverted comma, no problem. But string or characters must have. Digits accepted. बघितलं आपण अगोदर डिजिट्स ऍक्सेप्ट झाले तिथं नाही दिले तरी चालतं. सगळीकडे देऊन बघूया. होप यू आर क्लिअर अँड यू आर विथ मी. एनीबडी हॅव एनी डाऊट? दोज हू आर नॉट डुईंग प्रॅक्टिकल दे कॅन टेक नोट ऑफ इट. तुम्ही मोबाईलवर वॉच करत असाल तर याचे एक एक स्क्रीन शॉट काढून ठेवा म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल किंवा लिहून ठेवा. नोटबुक घेऊन बसा. सी ना. Here you can see for string or characters I haven't given single inverted comma. It was a error, unknown column. But when I give inverted comma it is accepted. For a digit also it's okay. But if we are not giving 2 digits single inverted comma still it will get accepted. But for string it must have. Okay. Now our table which was empty previously just select star from another table, right? Empty set. Now we'll execute that command and we'll see whether these inserted records are present in the table. Okay. So to see the table records there is a command select star indicates all from table name. From is a, you can see there are 3 clauses. From where? From it means table name. Our table name is ex1 or t1. Select star indicates all records. It will view, it will display from table ex1. Okay. Displayed. How many records we have inserted? आता प्रॉब्लेम काय झालाय सेकंड ज्यावेळेस आपण दाखवत होतो एक्झाम्पल इथं आपण 2 करायला पाहिजे होतं केलेलं नाही. सो आयडी आर by using update command we can update this, but currently we are not learning update command. Okay, we'll insert one more record. Now we'll make this 3. Now we'll give any other name. No relation, just I'm taking any names, whatever I can recall. Or you can tell me, you can suggest me the names. Now, third record we have inserted, but this time we haven't made mistake, we have updated correct IDs. Here, two IDs are there. So, if there is a duplication of data, this is called as a redundancy. सेम असेल सगळं तर त्याला म्हणायचं रिडंडंट डेटा, डुप्लिकेट डेटा, रिडंडन्सी. We'll see. Select star from EX1. There are 3 records now. Sachin, Rahul, and Sid. Names. Surnames are different. So, how many things we have learned today? We have learned to create a database. First of all, to log into the command line prompt, command line client MySQL by inserting correct password. Then show databases. Then use that database, whichever we want to use. Show tables, if already created tables are there. Then select star from the table name. It will display the records. Currently DB don't have any record. Then DSA will describe the table along with its schema, all the information. Then create database. We have created one new database TE1. Then show databases. It is displayed, which we have created. Then use that database because we want to insert or create one table inside that database TE1. Then use command. Then show tables. As T1 just now it is created, so no tables are there. So it shows empty set. Then we have created one table. So command is create table keyword, table name EX1, and then column names, data type, and sizes. We have created 3 column names, 3 data types, right? Then show tables. Now it is showing EX1. Now describe EX1. It shows the schema. Then insert a record. So correct command is insert into table name values. EX1 was the table name and 3 values because 3 columns are there. Column is called as attribute. Row is called as a tuple. Remember, column is called as an attribute. Row is called as an tuple. Select star from EX1. It will display the record because we have inserted 2 records. By mistake, we haven't updated or corrected the ID. Now, third time we have corrected the ID 103 Sid Malad. So there are 3 records. One more record we will insert. So there is a command. We'll type it. Insert into, right, EX1 table name values in bracket ID 104 now, comma, single and inverted comma, name. Okay, so insert into table name EX1 values and here comma. Sorry. One 104 is a ID, Sunil is a first name, and Sharma is a second name, surname. Okay, bracket complete, semicolon. Successfully inserted record. Now will display. Okay, display 104. Are you clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any doubt? Those who are doing practical, hope they are with me. Any errors you do have? एक दोन एरर पण दाखवले आपण मुद्दाम करून. करेक्ट कमांड लक्षात ठेवा इन्सर्टची. इन्सर्ट इनटू टेबल नेम व्हॅल्यूज. ओके. नाउ व्हॉट वी विल डू, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही कराल प्रॅक्टिकल, हे असं सिलेक्ट करायचं सगळं जे काही आपण कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट या किंवा या विंडोवर टाइप केलं आणि हे कंट्रोल सी दाबून परत दुसऱ्या फाईल मध्ये तुम्ही वर्ड मध्ये ते कॉपी करू शकता. कॉपी करून ठेवत चला म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते सेव्ह करता येईल. ओके. इथपर्यंत कोणाला डाऊट? इथपर्यंत एनी प्रॉब्लेम? We have learned 4-5 commands and queries. Clauses also. From clause बघितलं आपण. From, it means the table which we want to display the information from that. So by using from clause we can type the table and select that table. Okay. Any doubt? We'll stop here. But before you leave, T1 batch. T1 batch. Starting with roll number 1 to 22, I think. TG, माझ्याकडे जे TG चे आहे स्टुडंट त्यांनी लिव्ह करू नका. आपण TG मीटिंग कंडक्ट करू याच लिंकवर. Remaining people, if you don't have any doubts, we'll stop here. You can leave. Before you leave, let me take attendance first. Don't leave anybody. As per participant list, I will take attendance. Hope it is visible now. So as per participant list, don't leave anybody because your absent will get marked otherwise. 1, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the present numbers. Next 11 to 20 now. Don't leave, unless I told. After 10 directly 19 and 20. 19, 20 and 22. 90, 20 and 22. 26, 28, 31. 26, 28, 31. 32, 33, 34. 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 40, 42, 43. 40, 42, 43. Then 44, 45, 46. 44, 45, 46. 47, 49, 50. 47, 49, 50. 51, 2, 3, 55. 51, 2, 3, 55. 56, 7, 58, 60. 56, 57, 58, 60. 51, 2, 46. 51, 2, 46. 51, 62, 64. 66, 7, 68. 66, 67, 68. 70, 71, 73, 74. 70, 71. 70, 71, 73, 74. 76. 76. Okay. So I mark present numbers except first T1 batch, that is my TG. Students whom I am acting as a TG teacher, they will stay in the meeting, others can leave. Okay. मी ज्या स्टुडंटचा टीजी टीचर आहे त्या स्टुडंटनी थांबा, आपण इथेच मीटिंग कंडक्ट करूयात. टीजी मीटिंग आहे, बाकीच्यांनी लिव्ह करा.